Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn new topic which is Atlas Reasoning Engine in Salesforce Agentforce. So in this video we will deep dive into the Atlas engine, which is the reasoning engine used by all of the AI agents built on the Agentforce platform. In this we will understand what is the Atlas engine, how it works, and then I will be explain how the Atlas reasoning engine helps to the AI agents to understand whatever the request raised by the customers or the end users from the external site or the Salesforce Agentforce platform. So for that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so whenever we post a new video, you will get an update. So if you look at the definition of it, it says that Atlas is a reasoning engine designed to simulate human-like thought process within Salesforce Agentforce platform. Now think of it as a brain of the AI agents that can make decisions, take actions and continuously learns all in the real time. So here the Atlas reasoning engine simulate human-like thought process. That means unlike the chatbot, we don't need to give the prompt to the AI agents or the chatbot in the scripted way. So here we can give the prompt or the raise the query in the human speak language. So for example, any customer wants to know the status of the order. So here, unlike the chatbot, there is no any scripted query. So here the customer can simply ask, what is my order status? So this is the natural language which humans use in their conversation. So here in the Salesforce Agentforce, the Atlas reasoning engine simulates this human-like thought process, and because of that, agent knows our requirement and according to that, it gives us the response. So here we can say that it is a brain of the AI agents, and also it helps to agent to make decisions, take actions and continuously learns. So let me show you the work of Atlas reasoning engine behind the work. For that, let me navigate to the Salesforce org. So here I am navigating to the Agentforce. So in the quick find box, let me navigate to the Agentforce agent. Now here I am opening the service agent, Agentforce service agent. Let me open this agent in the builder. Now let's understand how the Atlas reasoning engine work behind the scenes. So let me close this one. Now here you can see in the topic, I only have one topic for which soft drink orders. That means this agent is for the manage the soft drink orders. Now as I click on this topic, and here you can see here we have classification description of this agent, then here we have scope. After that here you can see here we have instructions for this topic. Now as I click on this topic actions, here I have created 3 actions and assigned to this service agent. So first action is create soft drink order, then to get the order status and then cancel the order. Now as we have seen, let me navigate to the PPT. So here you can see, because of the Atlas reasoning engine, the AI agent can make the decision, take action and continuously learn. That means after giving any prompt to this agent, which action they need to perform, it decided by the Atlas reasoning engine. Because of that, the AI can know which action they need to perform according to the query the user has provided. So here, let me navigate back. Now here I am providing prompt, I want to cancel order. Now here you can see, I want to cancel the order, but I didn't provided the order number, which order I need to cancel. So here, as I open this soft drink order topic, now here we have some instructions. The instructions nothing but the rule for the AI agents. Now as I raise this request, what the Atlas reasoning engine will do? So they will first choose the topic. Again let me go back. So first they will choose the topic. Since I have only one topic, so this time for the Atlas reasoning engine only have one topic. For example, I have number of topics such as account management, after that customer management or the service management. Now whatever the query we will provide, according to that the Atlas reasoning engine first select the topic. That means under which topic our query get fit. So for example, so here I have given the cancel order request. That means this request is for the soft drink orders. Now if I giving the prompt, I want to know the information about the account. So here what will happen? The Atlas reasoning engine search for the topics, and here we will have the account management. Now this time the Atlas reasoning engine choose the account management topic. So here, because of these topics, for the AI agents it will be very easy to execute the action according to the query the user has been provided. Now here I provided the query, but I haven't provided the order number. Now let me open the topic again. After selecting the topic, then we will have the instructions. So let me raise the request this one. As I press the enter key, in the center you can see. So here the prompt has been generated. So here we have the user prompt, I want to cancel the order. After that, as I scroll down, here you can see the topic selected, the soft drink orders. So here if I giving the prompt, I want to know the account information, then this time the Atlas reasoning engine here will be the topic selected account management. After the topic, the Atlas reasoning engine select the instruction. Now as I expand these instructions, here you can see here we have 3 instructions for this topic. Now from these instructions, the Atlas reasoning engine can choose the related instruction. So here we have, when a customer wants to cancel the order, always ask the customer for their order number if they don't provide it in the first message. So because of this instruction, the agent responded for the asking order number. So here I am providing 800700. I have created the object where I have stored all this information. So let me show you for that. In the app launcher, here I am searching for order management application. In that I have created one object which is soft drink orders. As I open it, so here we have one order which is in the open status. So since all the orders are cancelled, now I will provide this open status order number 600500. Now as I press the enter key, here you can see your order has been successfully cancelled. Let me show you. As I refresh the page, so our order 600500 has been successfully cancelled. Then as I navigate to the agent builder, and this time here you can see the user prompt, the user has given 600500. This order they want to cancel. After that, as I scroll down, here you can see the topics and instructions we have. We can see here, and here you can see the action launched by the Atlas reasoning engine, which is the cancel order. So here we have provided input as order number, and then the Atlas reasoning engine provided the output to the AI agent so that they can provide the response to the customer or the user. So here the Atlas reasoning engine provided the output as a message, the order number 600500 has been cancelled to the AI agent, and AI agent gives us the response in the conversation window. And also during this process, the Atlas reasoning engine stores this information in its memory. So for example, let me navigate back to the object. Now here I am changing the status of the order number 1020 from cancel to open. Let me save this one. Now for the order number 1020, its status is open. Again let me navigate to the agent builder. This time here I am giving the prompt, and also let me refresh the page so that we can start the new conversation. Now here I am providing the prompt, I want to cancel my order. Now here intentionally I have given the wrong spelling of the cancel. So here as I press the enter key, even we have provided the wrong spelling, because of the Atlas reasoning engine, the AI agent can know what is our intent to give this prompt. So because of this, we can know that the Atlas reasoning engine can think its own. After that, we need to provide the order number. So here we have 1020. So by mistake I give the prompt to cancel the order. We want to know the status of the order. So anyway, because of this we can know that even we give the wrong spelling or something or some small mistake, even though the Atlas reasoning engine can understand our intent, and according to that it execute the action related to the query. So again let me navigate to the object. This time I am changing the status of order number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select any order status. Let me save this one. Now the order number 1, 2, 3, 4, the status is dispatched. Let me navigate to the agent builder. Again we will start the new chat. Now here I am providing the prompt. I want to know the status of my order. Again we need to provide order number 1, 2, 3, 4. As I press the enter key, now here you can see the order number 1, 2, 3, 4 dispatched. Earlier we have seen when we want to cancel the order, we need to provide the order number to cancel it. Now this time here I will simply type cancel this order. You can see I haven't provided the order number, but now as I press the enter key, here you can see your order number 1, 2, 3, 4 has been successfully cancelled. Now why this happened? Because of the Atlas reasoning engine stored the information in it. So this is very small conversation. If you have the multiple conversation about any order or about any topic, so even after multiple conversation and you provide the prompt, so for example like this only, to cancel my order, then the agent knows about what you want to perform that action because of the Atlas reasoning engine. So let's back to our presentation. And now here we have the key components of the Atlas reasoning engine. The first one is the reasoning capabilities. So the Atlas does not just process the data, it understands the intent to make informed decisions. After that we have real-time processing. So it handles vast amount of data instantly, allowing for immediate action. So as we just saw that it can handle large data, process it and take out only the required data for the particular job or particular prompt. After that it can continuously learning. Now the Atlas refines its response over time, improving accuracy and effectiveness, so it can learn the conversation through the various response that it has given or the feedback that user given to the better response for the next time. Now here you can see the Atlas reasoning engine first intent the detection, that means it understands the intention behind the user queries. For example, when the user prompts the agent with the query, the first step of the Atlas reasoning engine is to identify the intent. Now based on the user query, the agent can identify the intent of the question or the task so that it can process the query. After that the second stage is query processing. So in this stage, the Atlas reasoning engine analyzes the plan or the intent by analyzing available data, and also if any additional information is required, the agent may prompt the user for more information. Then once it understood the intent, it can converse with the user based on its reasoning capabilities and the instruction given to it. Then the third stage is planning and orchestration. So here the Atlas reasoning engine devises strategy for appropriate assistance. So in this way the Atlas reasoning engine works behind the scenes in the Salesforce Agentforce. Now we can summarize the Atlas reasoning engine as the brain of the agent which can take decision, ask questions and process the data and perform actions in the Salesforce for the AI agent in Agentforce. I hope you have got an idea about whatever I have explained about the Atlas reasoning engine in the Salesforce Agentforce. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.